initial velocity u is given 50 km per hour. I convert it into the meter per second, and this is 125 upon 9 meter per second. Then we are applying the third equation. Then according to the third equation of motion, according to the third equation of motion, we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Putting the value, you know that there is a brake is applying. It means that final velocity is 0 minus 125 upon 9 to the square, and this is equal to 2a into 6. After solving, we get a is equal to minus 16 meter second to the power minus 2. This is its retardation. We calculate the retardation of a car. Okay. Again, according to the question, it is saying that its initial velocity is 100 km per hour. According to the question, if the same car is moving at a speed of 100 km per hour, then find the minimum stopping distance. Okay. It means that its speed is 100 km per hour. Then we convert it into the meter per second. 100 into 5 by 18. Then this is equal to 250 upon 9 meter per second. This is its initial velocity. Its final velocity is 0. And we know that acceleration is also calculated minus 16 meter per second square. Again, we are using the third equation. Then from third equation, v square is equal to u square minus 2as. Its final speed is 0 to the square, and u is also given 250 upon 9 to the square minus 2. A is also calculated 16 and into distance s. After solving, we get the final answer. This is 250 into 250 divided by 81 into 32. It means that final answer is 24.1 meter. This is the final answer. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, it's done. Okay.
Just a second, sir. I'm copying, sir.
The velocity of a particle at an instant is 10 meter per second. After 3 seconds, its velocity will become 16 meter per second. Find the velocity at 2 seconds before the given instant will be. Okay. First of all, we calculate the acceleration of a body. Okay. We know that acceleration A is equal to V minus U upon T. What is its final speed? I think 16. Initial speed is 10. And how much time taken? I think this is 3 seconds. Then A is equal to 6 by 3 and this is equal to 2 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of a given body. Okay. Then first we calculate the acceleration. Again, I want to calculate its initial velocity from the same instant. Uh, uh, from the same instant. It means we want to calculate the V dash. Sorry, V dash is given 10 meter per second and we want to calculate the initial velocity U in same acceleration 2 meter per second square. And how much time? I think after 2 seconds. According to the question, it is saying that after 2 seconds, t is equal to 2 seconds. Then putting all these values in first equation, v dash is equal to u plus at. What is v dash? This is given 10 meter per second. And u, I want to calculate the u. Acceleration is 2 and this is also 2. Then u is equal to 10 minus 4. It means final answer is 6 meter per second. Okay. Question is that a stone is thrown vertically up from the ground. It reaches a maximum height of 50 meter in 10 seconds. After what time will it reach the ground from the maximum height? Okay. First of all, we draw the diagram. Suppose this is the object which is thrown from the ground, and suppose this is the ground from where object is throwing, and we consider point A from where object is throwing. Okay. According to the question, it is saying that it travel 50 meter. It travel 50 meter from the ground. And how much time taken is taken? 10 seconds. Okay. This is taking 10 seconds from ground to the maximum height B. Okay. Then first of all, uh, we know that time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Then we are using the first equation. V is equal to U minus GT. At maximum height, final velocity is 0, but initial velocity is not given. Uh, we consider U minus 10 and time is given 10 seconds. It means that U is equal to 100 meter per second. Again, we want to calculate the time. Then for calculating the time, we are using second equation. S is equal to ut plus half gt square. It means that from maximum height to the ground, s is given 50 meter. This is 0 plus half 10 into t square. Okay, it means that 50 is equal to 5 into t square. But according to this, it is wrong. Um, it is wrong. 1 minute. Uh,
So actually, even I got t square is equal to 10. So
yes,
why?
yes, yes. But we don't using this method because object is throwing from ground. It is not a drop from the height. Object is throwing from the ground. Okay.
Sir, actually, I got I use the second formula, sir, instead of the first.
Yes, yes. Second equation.
Yes, sir.
But second equation, applying second equation, answer is wrong. Time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Okay. It means that uh, it taken the same time. Then t is also 10 second. T is also 10 second. When it come to the ground, it takes the same time. It means that answer is 10 second. Okay. Second equation is not applying there because question, a car start from rest, moves with an acceleration a, and then de-accelerate at b for some time to come to rest. If the total time taken is t, find the maximum velocity of the car. Okay. Then first of all, we draw the diagram for solving the question. Suppose car is traveling from position O and at this point its initial velocity is 0. Again it come to A, then again it come to B. From O to A it is moving with acceleration A, and from A to B it is moving with retardation B. Okay. Then from O to A, then from O to A, and I think total time is given T. First I am calculating time T1 taking by the car from O to A. We are using the first equation, V is equal to U plus AT, then V is equal to U plus A into T1. It means V is equal to 0 plus A into T1. It means T1 is equal to V upon A. This is the equation number 1. Okay. This is the time taken from O to A. Again, I am calculating time from A to B. Suppose from A to B, car is taking time T2. Then again we are using first equation. We know that there is retardation of car from A to B. It means that final velocity is 0 and initial velocity at point A is equal to V. At this point its speed is V, and at this point its final speed is 0 due to retardation. Then we put at this point initial speed is V minus retardation is B into time T2. It means that T2 is equal to V upon B. This is the equation number 2. Again, total time is given T. It means total time T is equal to T1 plus T2. Putting the value T is equal to, what is T1? V upon A, plus what is T2? V upon B. It means that V is common, and this is 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. After solving, T is equal to V, taking LCM, B plus A upon AB. This is the LCM of A and B. Therefore, its maximum velocity V is equal to AB into T divided by A plus B. It means that option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. Okay. Question is that a ball falls from 20-meter height on floor and rebounds to 5-meter. Time of contact is 0.02 second. Find the acceleration during impact. Okay. We know that formula of acceleration. Formula of acceleration is A is equal to V minus U upon T. Okay. You know that time of contact is given 0.02 second, but its initial and final speed is not given. Then we want to calculate V and U. Then how? Question is that how? First of all, we draw the diagram. This is the diagram. From A to B, it travel a height. How much height? I think 20 meter. 20 meter. And then it rebound from B to, it rebound from, suppose from B to C. It rebound again from B to C. How much height it is rebound? I think 5 meters. Okay. Then we are applying the formula. We know that speed V is equal to root 2 GH. Speed V is equal to root 2 GH. Then we putting the value of V. We know that V and U have opposite direction. It means that this is V minus U divided by T. We are taking negative sign because V and U are in opposite sign, opposite direction. So we are taking the minus U. Then this is equal to V plus U divided by T. Putting the value V is equal to root 2G H2 and plus this is equal to root 2G H1 and this is divided by T. Then this is root 2 into 10 into 20 plus root 2 into 10 into 5 and T is given 0.02 second and this is root 400. 400 square root of 400 is 20 plus this is 100. Square root of 100 is 10 divided by 0.02 and after solving we getting the answer 1500 meter per second square. This is the final answer of this question. Okay. Question is that a ball rolls up a slope. At the end of 3 seconds, its velocity is 20 meter per second. At the end of 8 seconds, its velocity is 0. What is the average acceleration from the third to the 8th second? Okay. It means that according to the question, it is given that at time t1, what is t1? I think 3 seconds. At time t1, its speed is how much? I think 20 meter per second. And at time t2, what is the time t2? I think 8 seconds. At the time t2 is 8 seconds, its velocity is 0, 0 meter per second. Then we want to calculate the average acceleration. We know that average acceleration A is equal to V minus U divided by T2 minus T1. Okay. Yeah, V2 minus V1 divided by T2 minus T1. This is the formula. V2 is given 0 minus V1 is given 20. T2 is given 8 second minus T1 is given 3 second. Then A is equal to minus 20 divided by 5. It means that A is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. This is the answer of this question.